what happened today in Mexico.
This is the Tiiny AI Pocket Lab, and it is about to completely disrupt the entire AI hardware industry. We are looking at a device that holds a Guinness World Record for the smallest mini PC, featured as a spotlight at CES 2026, and it packs a punch that absolutely defies logic. Check out these specs: 80 gigabytes of unified RAM, a 1 terabyte NVMe SSD, and the ability to run up to 120 billion parameter large language models completely locally. We are talking about running massive state-of-the-art open source models like DeepSeek, Llama 3, Quinn, and Mistral right in the palm of your hand. But why does this matter? Look at their primary promise: privacy first. Your data, your device, period. Every single prompt, every image generated, and every line of code written stays entirely offline. No internet required, zero API token limits, and absolutely zero monthly subscriptions. You buy the hardware once and you own your AI forever. Instead of buying a $6,000 desktop rig with multiple bulky graphics cards just to run local AI, you can get the Tiiny Pocket Lab on their upcoming Kickstarter for an early bird price of $1,299. It's ultra lightweight, stays surprisingly cool, and fits right in your pocket. So, how do you actually use it? It is engineered for pure simplicity. You don't need to be a server engineer. You just take the Tiiny device, plug it directly into your laptop via a standard USB-C cable, and it instantly acts as an external brain. Watch this. Through their web UI, you simply select your model, like the massive GPT-OSS 120B, click Try, and you immediately have a PhD-level reasoning engine ready to generate meeting notes, analyze data, or write code. Powered by their turbo-sparse and power-inferred technologies, this little box delivers lightning-fast output speeds that rival high-end desktop GPUs. Plus, it unlocks a massive open-source ecosystem. It seamlessly integrates with over 100 open-source agents, giving you the ability to build, debug, and refactor code offline. And because it features bank-grade AES 256 full-disk encryption, your sensitive business data is completely locked down. Having a 120 billion parameter supercomputer in your pocket is incredible, but hardware is useless if you don't know how to deploy it to make money. The tech is evolving faster than ever, and if you want to stop playing around with AI and start building automated, profitable systems, you need to join my private community, the AI Money Forge. This is the ultimate headquarters for AI entrepreneurs. Inside the Forge, I don't just show you cool gadgets, I give you my exact step-by-step blueprints. When you join today, you get instant access to our advanced classrooms. You'll unlock my latest March 2026 workflows, including the complete Google Flow update, a masterclass on using Google AI Studio to rapidly prototype and generate cinematic, highly consistent video content for YouTube automation. You'll get access to ready-to-use Make.com automation templates, prompt engineering secrets, and the exact standard operating procedures we use to deploy local autonomous agents that work 24/7. We have a thriving community of over 200 builders sharing what actually works right now. Don't just buy the hardware, learn how to build an empire with it. Click the link in the description to join the AI Money Forge today, and I'll see you inside. But what truly sets the Tiiny AI apart from just being a novelty piece of hardware is its true long-term memory and massive developer ecosystem. Utilizing its built-in 1 terabyte NVMe SSD and a local intelligent indexing engine, this device actually remembers your past conversations, analyzes your personal documents, and generates highly contextual responses over time, without ever uploading a single byte to the cloud. And for the builders out there, it comes fully equipped with the TinyOS SDK, featuring direct model management, MCP tools, and custom APIs. It gives you the absolute freedom to develop custom, completely offline AI applications that can run for hours on the go just by plugging it into a standard portable power bank.